Hey designers, so I've created these PSDs for each of the different fonts, and these are super helpful for your workflow in creating designs faster. And in all of these PSDs, as I've shown before, you've got all of the letters for each different graphic font um, organized by capital letters, lowercase, and then numbers and punctuation. And these PSDs make it really easy for you to drag and drop the letters or letters into your design and create monograms or words or whatever. So this is one way to save you some time. And I will note that all of the letters are smart objects so that you can resize them without having to worry about losing resolution or whatever. So super handy to use these. But I want to help you create words. You know, if you're creating monograms, drag and drop, it's not a big deal. But say you're creating some headline, you want to create a word. I want to help you create words faster. And that's why I've created this Word Builder PSD, which you see here, which is just a simple PSD with a background, and these actions, the Word Builder actions. And I know a lot of you are not using the latest Photoshop. Not everybody has CC, so I wanted to create a method that helps you to create words, should you want to, with these a bit faster and save you time. So, you know, and it's actually not hard to just drag and drop these letters and line them up and everything. Not a big deal. But I want to save you a little bit of time. So before we get started, I want to tell you a couple things that you need to know before you use these, the Word Builder PSD and the actions. First of all, you need to load up your actions. You can double click the actions file or go to your actions window, click the top right and click load actions. And here I've got my holiday actions already loaded up. So I'm good there, and I've got my Word Builder PSD open, and I've got one of my font PSDs open, this script Cedar 2. So I want to start making a word. First of all, make sure that you have auto select layer toggled on, and this saves you time from having to scroll through and find your letter. You can just click on it and it will select automatically that letter. As you see here, it moves around as I select. And also on the side of these, I've colored these so the capital letters are all in green, lowercase letters are all in orange, and then the numbers and punctuation are in purple. So that helps you out there. So I make sure that this is selected, and this is very important, this Word Builder PSD, wherever you keep this, if you move it, make sure it's always, you don't change the name of it. It's always Word Builder PSD, because when I made these actions, because I have to duplicate letters from here onto here, it's going to always go to a document called Word Builder PSD. So if you change the name of this file, the actions won't work. So this needs to stay Word Builder PSD, no matter where you move it or whatever, as long as it's named Word Builder PSD. And then make sure that your, because of how the actions work, make sure you only have your alphabet PSD open that you're currently using and your Word Builder. Make sure that you have only these two files open, just so that you don't mess up the action flow. So if you have these two things open and you have this auto select layer on, that's going to save you time, but that's very crucial. So I'm going to make the word Noel and show you that my Word Builder workflow will help you create this this word a little bit faster. So I'm going to click here on that letter N, which is the first letter, and then I'm going to go to letter 1 and push play. And then I will go to, I want to make the next one lowercase o, so I'll click here, O, and I'm just going to double check. Sometimes, because I'm a bit zoomed out, I didn't actually select that letter, so I'm going to click here, and now I make sure that my O is selected. I'm good. So I'll click letter 2, click play, and what this is doing, this is copying that letter over onto the Word Builder and putting it into a a relative space. Now it's not going to be perfect because each of these fonts are a little bit different, but this should save you some time, and I'll show you when I go over to my word builder. Now I'm going to go to the letter E, click letter 3, hit play, and then I'm going to go to the letter L, if we can find that here, the letter L, and click letter 4 and click play. And what this did is it copied these letters over into the word builder, put them in approximately the right place, and then came back over to this document. So that way you don't have to go back, juggle back and forth yourself between the documents. Now what we can do is go over into the word builder, and it's put each letter into the relative place. So this makes it actually quite faster for you to line up the words. So now I'm just going to take these layers here and use these guides to do the lining everything up perfectly. But it does actually really help me in terms of time by using the word builder, especially on the longer words. So now I've created this word, now I'm good to go. Now I can just select these letters here, and let's actually put it in a new, drag it into a new document here. So we'll drag this over onto the background, and then we can, like, now that we have it all together, we can enlarge it, we can decorate it, we can add some drop shadows to it. So this word builder just helps you with your workflow and to make things a little bit faster for you. So I hope you find it useful. And if you have any questions, just, write me down in the comments. But the good thing is like if you're having an issue or something didn't work, don't stress about it, because it's not like you can't just, manually do them. This is just, you manually drag and drop them or whatever. This is just a little shortcut to help save you time, because I know that probably like me, you're busy and you need to save all the time you want. So hopefully you enjoy using the word builder, and look forward to more videos where I show you more tips and tricks on working with this product.